Hello everyone. You might have heard people say UI UX design, but have you ever wondered what is UI and what is UX? But you might be thinking that both are same, but actually both are two different roles. They are not same. Both UI and UX are important in designing apps and website. In this video, I'll explain the difference between UI and UX design in a simple way so that you can understand it better. First, let's start with UX. UX stands for user experience. As the name suggests, it is the experience gained by the user when they use your application or a website. It is about how a person feels when they use your design, like whether the app is easy for the user to use or whether they are able to search for products in an easy way. App flow is correct and whether the steps are less. For example, after you have installed an application in your mobile, while login, the app just asks you only a few details like username or password and your mobile number. But earlier, while login itself, it will ask for more details like your name, mobile number, date of birth, gender, etc. This is all unnecessary details while login. It will actually frustrate the users. To say it in a simpler way, UX is like planning. It decides how the app flow should be, what buttons are needed, how many steps should be. A UX designer works on understanding user problems, creating wireframes, planning the user flow, making sure whether the app is useful and enjoyable. Now I will explain it with a simple example. Let's take the food delivery app which we are using mostly in our day-to-day life. In that, UX focuses on how easy is it for you to search for a restaurant, place your order and then make payment. Now UI stands for user interface. It is about the look and feel of the product. It is the design parts like the color which you have used in your design, buttons, font, icons and the layout you can see on the screen. UI designer works on making the app look attractive for the user. To say it in a simpler way, UI is like decorating. It decides the color, styles, font and design of the buttons. Let's take the same food delivery app for example, which we have taken it already. While using the app, you might have noticed certain animations, how the order now button looks. This all comes under UI. UX is about making a product usable and enjoyable. UI is about making it beautiful and engaging. They are different but work together. A beautiful app with bad UX will frustrate the users, while a smooth app with ugly visuals won't impress us. If you are still getting confused with the difference between UX and UI, now I'll explain it just with a single word. UX means the experience, while UI means the interface. Now let me ask you a question. You are going to build a house, in that which is UI and which is UX? Let me know the answer in the comment section. Hope this video finds you helpful. For more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.